Good morning, Saugus. I'm Priscilla Penate, and today is Tuesday, September 5th. This is SNN. For today's fact of the day, we thought we'd tell you about National Cheese Pizza Day. The first form of pizza was said to have been created in ancient Greece. People would top their bread with oil, herbs, and cheese. The more modern flatbread pizza was created in Naples, Italy. This dish used one of the highest buffalo mozzarella cheeses that paved the way for pizza as we know it today. Pizza gained popularity in the West, and in 1905, the first pizza establishment, Lombardi's, opened in Little Italy, New York. In 1939, pizza made its way to Los Angeles, where the DeMore family introduced it, and grew in popularity following World War II. With many Italian veterans, the consumption of pizza had a significant increase. Today, cheese pizza is still a loved Italian dish enjoyed by many around the world. Cheese pizza has also made its appearances in pulp culture, including in Home Alone, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Friends. Enjoy a slice of cheese pizza to celebrate National Cheese Pizza Day. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
Seniors, you can now submit photos and videos to this year's Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit from any point throughout your childhood and high school life. Pictures or videos can be submitted to our email or Instagram listed below. Slideshows are available for purchase in the ASB office for $15. Applications are open for the California Scholarship Federation until this Friday, September 8th. You must apply each semester using your previous semester grades. For application information, check your counseling and CSF Google Classrooms or see Mrs. Schertz in X2411. The parking lot is reserved for staff and seniors with parking passes. If you are parked without a valid pass, you will be ticketed and called into the AP office. Privileges, including dances and school events, can be taken away for students with outstanding tickets. Juniors, Saugus will be offering the PSAT on October 16th. The test provides practice for the SAT and is the qualifying exam for the National Merit Scholarship Program. If you're interested, you can register and pay at the ASB web store starting today. Supplies are limited. If you have any questions, see your counselor. Now let's go to Janine Gavorges with this week's ASB Minute.
With this week's ASB Minute. It's time to donate blood this fall season. On September 26th, Saugus High School will be hosting the annual UCLA Blood Drive. The blood drive will be in the gym from 8:15 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. Interested in signing up? If so, visit the website listed to register. Once on this website, click Blood Drives and enter SGHS in the zip code or account code box. In order to donate, you must be 16 years old and weigh at least 110 pounds. Don't forget, you need a parental consent form in order to donate. To receive a consent form, visit the ASB office. All donors will receive an awesome gift for donating. Remember, every donation counts. Don't forget, this Friday is an away football game. Stay tuned for the next week's game's theme. That's all from me. Now let's go to Holden Smith with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Janine. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Holden Smith with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, girls volleyball plays West Ranch at West Ranch. Frosh and JV play at 4:15 and varsity plays at 5:30. Girls golf competes against Quartz Hill at the Rancho Vista Golf Course. Varsity plays at 1:30. Also today, girls tennis plays Valencia at 3. JV plays at Saugus and varsity plays at Valencia. Good luck to all of our Centurion athletes. Open play intramural dodgeball will take place today and Thursday in the gym at lunch. Please show up with 4 other friends and do not forget to dip, dive, duck, and dodge. That's all for me. Now let's go to Kenzie Mustafa with the first installment of our new edition of Cooking with SNN.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Kenzie Mustafa reporting for SNN. For this edition of Cooking with SNN, we'll be cooking with eggs. We'll be making pancake soufflé. For this recipe, you will need a 1/3 cup of butter or margarine, 4 eggs, 1 cup each of milk, all-purpose flour, and powdered sugar, and optionally lemon wedges. Let's get started. To begin, set the oven to 425 degrees. Place butter in a 3 to 4 quart oval or circle baking dish and set it in the oven. Meanwhile, with a blender, whip the eggs at a high speed for 1 minute. At the same time, gradually pour in the cup of milk as well as the flour. Continue for 30 more seconds. Then, hand whisk the batter until thick. When the butter is melted, take out the pan and quickly pour in the batter. Return to the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until fluffy and brown. Pancake soufflé is a fun and easy recipe to try at home, Saugus. For Cooking with SNN, this has been Kenzie Mustafa.
Thanks, Kenzie. That looks scrumptious. REACH will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. On September 11th, there will be hosting University of Alaska Fairbanks during periods 1 and 2. All presentations will take place in room Q1715. Any junior or senior student interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hillstein at lunch. Underclassmen are not permitted to leave campus if they have an academic 3rd or 6th period. Student athletes and those with an open period after lunch may leave campus. Open period stickers are available in the ASB office. You can pick them up during your open period, brunch, lunch, or before and after school. New electronic policies have gone into effect. No phones or devices may be out during class periods. Each usage will count as a different strike, and each strike has a corresponding consequence. If you are driving down Caraway Lane, remember to follow the speed limits to keep the flow of traffic safe and avoid disturbing the neighborhood. That's all for today. I'm Priscilla Penate. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.